You guys, AI is everywhere. It's not just a buzzword, it's the real deal, and it's transforming how businesses operate. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a coding wizard to leverage its power. That's right, you heard me. In 2025, we're talking about launching your own AI agency with zero coding skills. This isn't about replacing human ingenuity, it's about amplifying it. We're talking about using AI tools to automate tasks, unlock deeper insights, and deliver more value to your clients. And the best part? You can start today. This video is your blueprint. We're diving into the nitty-gritty prompt engineering, no-code tools, crafting irresistible offers, and mastering the art of client communication in the age of AI. Buckle up, because things are about to get seriously good. Prompt engineering is the art of talking to AI. It's how you tell these tools what to do. Clearer instructions mean better outcomes. For example, generating content ideas for a fitness brand. A weak prompt? Give me content ideas. A strong prompt? Generate engaging Instagram. Post ideas for a fitness brand targeting busy professionals. Specificity is key. Experiment with prompts and watch the AI deliver. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Feed your AI high-quality prompts. Understand AI language and use it to your advantage. Master this, and you're ahead of the game. Now let's talk about the weapons in your no-code arsenal. We're not talking about hypothetical pie-in-the-sky solutions. These are tools you can start using today. ChatGPT, Claude, Zapier, Make, Notion AI, Airtable. Each one of these tools is a powerhouse in its own right, ready to automate tasks and streamline your workflow. Need killer content? ChatGPT and Claude are your new best friends. Want to automate workflows and connect different apps? Zapier and Make are here to save the day. Notion AI can supercharge your note-taking and brainstorming sessions, while Airtable helps you organize and manage your projects like a boss. Remember, you don't need to be a tech whiz to leverage these tools. Start small, experiment, and watch your productivity skyrocket. Now that you've got the tools, let's talk about crafting irresistible offers. Differentiate yourself in the crowded marketplace. Offer AI-powered solutions that solve real problems. Automate content, analyze data, personalize experiences. Position your services to grab attention. Speak directly to your target audience. Address their pain points. Make their lives easier and businesses profitable. Articulate your value proposition clearly. Attract clients ready to invest. Sell solutions, not just services. Showcase tangible benefits and watch the deals roll in. Listen up. In a world dominated by technology, soft skills are more important than ever. That's right, your ability to communicate effectively, build relationships, and understand client needs is what will set you apart. Don't underestimate the power of human connection. Take the time to truly understand your clients' challenges and goals. What are their pain points? How can AI help them achieve their desired outcomes? Be patient, ask questions, and listen actively. Remember, you're not just an AI technician, you're a consultant. Your job is to guide your clients through the world of AI, demystify the technology, and help them make informed decisions. Be transparent about the capabilities and limitations of AI. Manage expectations, communicate clearly, and over-deliver on your promises. This is how you build trust, cultivate long-lasting relationships, and become their go-to AI expert. We've covered a ton today, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of AI is constantly evolving and the opportunities are limitless. But you gotta start somewhere, right? Hit that subscribe button and share your niche ideas in the comments below. Let's build this community together. Remember, you don't need to be a tech genius or a coding prodigy to win in this space. You just need the passion, the hustle, and the willingness to learn and adapt. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to iterate along the way. Start simple, scale smart. Your no-code AI agency begins now.